Welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech World with Abdullah. My name is Muhammad Abdullah Malik, and today I am going to explain a very important topic for computer science, electronics and mechatronics engineering students. How does a computer works? This video is specially designed for mechatronics second semester students, but if you are beginner, don't worry. I will explain everything in simple and easy language. So let's get started. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic machine that takes input, processes the data, gives output, and can store information. In simple words, computer is equals to input plus process plus output plus storage. Example: you type something on keyboard, input, computer processes it. You see text on screen, output. It can save file, which is storage. Basic block diagram of computer. Every computer work on basic block diagram, which has four main parts: input devices, central processing units, output devices, memory, storage. Let's understand each one step by step. Input devices. Input devices are used to enter data into the computer. Common input devices are keyboard, mouse, microphone, scanner, camera, touch screen, and many more. Example: when you press a keyboard, the computer receives signals, not letters. These signals are converted into binary form, zeros and ones. Very important point I am telling you. So pay attention. Computer only understand binary language, zeros and ones. Central processing unit, commonly known as CPU. The CPU is the brain of computer. Everything that happens in a computer is controlled by the CPU. CPU has three main parts. Control units, its control all operation, decides what to do next, sends signals to memory, ALU, input and output devices. Example: if you click save, the control unit decides where to save, how to save, and which memory to be used. ALU stand for arithmetic logic units. ALU performs basic operations like plus, minus, multiply, divide. Logical operations and, or, not, comparisons. Example: 5 plus 3 is equals to 8 is greater than 5. In mechatronics, ALU is similarly to processing in microcontrollers. Registers. Registers are very small, very fast memory located inside CPU. They store temporary data, instructions being processed. Example: accumulator, program counter, instructions, register. Memory system. Memory stores data and instructions. Primary memory, RAM, random access memory, volatile memory. And what does volatile meaning? When you see, for example, when you petrol is volatile compound. When you put it in hand, it f- evaporates. Same like RAM. RAM is a volatile memory, and whenever computer power is off, the memory is lost. But it is a very fast memory used for running programs, temporary data. And what about ROM? ROM is read only memory. It is non-volatile, used to stores booting instruction. Data is permanent. Examples are BIOS and firmwares. Now we talk about secondary memories. All those memories which can be inserted, for example, hard disk, SSD card, USB, memory card, etc. Used for long term storage, files, videos, software. So, this was all about computer devices. Now, we will talk about output devices. Output devices show result to the user. Common output devices are monitor, printer, speaker, projector. Example examples I will tell you that how monitor, for example, monitor shows text, images, videos, speaker produce sound. Computer converts binary data into human readable form. Because binary language cannot be understood by human beings. How computer works step by step, now I am going to tell you. Let's understand the complete working process. Input. Step 1. User gives input using keyboard or mouse. Step 2. Conversion. Input is converted into binary form because computer understand binary language. Now step 3 is processing. CPU processes data using CU ALU registers. I told it earlier that ALU are arithmetic logic which use plus minus and many more. And then step 4 is storage. Data may be stored in RAM or hard disk. After the all cycle, we have a result which is called output. This is called IPO cycle, input process output. Computer and mechatronics connection. In mechatronics engineering, computers are used in robotics, CNC machines, PLC systems, automations, sensors and actuators. Microcontroller like Arduino ESP32, PIC, ARM, we can work on same computer principles. Input, like in mechatronics, sensors is the base, and sensors gave us input. Controllers processes, all processings are in microcontrollers like ESP, Arduino, and output is in the form of motors or anything else like submersible pump. So I, I will wrap up my video and I will overview that what we have today learned. So today we learned what is a computer, main parts of a computer, CPU working, memory system, step by step working, relationship with mechatronics. If you found this video helpful, like this video, comment your questions, subscribe to Tech World with Abdullah. I am Muhammad Abdullah Malik and I will see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.